When you think of industrial drum machines, names like the R50E, the R8 or the RY30 probably come to mind. But there are other machines, often overlooked, that deserve way more credit. Bands like Godflesh, Nine Inch Nails, Skinny Puppy, KMFDM and Ministry used some of these underrated beasts. The Roland R-70 Human Rhythm Composer, released in '91, is a classic drum machine that earned a solid place in the early electronic and industrial scenes, with up to 200 built-in drum sounds, such as jazz, electronic, and my favorite for industrial, the rock kits. It was considered one of the most powerful drum machines of its time. The R-70 features 16 velocity-sensitive pads and a built-in sequencer. It also includes onboard effects like reverb, delay, chorus. One of its standout features was Roland's answer to the RY30's control wheel, a positional pad. This large pad could be assigned to any sound, and its character would change depending on where the pad was hit. The R-70 became a favorite among producers. It's been used by Daft Punk, The Chemical Brothers, Pet Shop Boys, and famously Nine Inch Nails. During the production of The Downward Spiral, Trent Reznor used the R-70 on tracks like Closer and Piggy. In a 1994 Keyboard Magazine interview, he recalled, "Well, we sampled a Roland TR-808 as you have to these days. I try to avoid using it, but there's something about the low end. It's hard to beat that great low 808 kick. Actually, for Closer, we sampled the kick of an old Iggy Pop record, Nightclubbing. Most everything was sampled, but I did use a Roland R-70 just because I wanted something that was a drum machine. I ended up being pretty impressed with its sounds, although they're somewhat generic sounding. Good idea, but terrible operating system." Despite its flaws, the R-70 helped shape some of the most iconic drum sounds of the 90s, and it has one of the best kit for industrial music. Let's hear it. The Xbase 09 is Jomox's first commercial drum machine. It was produced in '97, in a time where there was no new drum machines being made. The techno genre became popular, especially in Europe, and the TR machines were becoming more popular and expensive. It marked a return to analog technology with a focus on fat sound. It is a powerful instrument that has been used by many artists, including Daft Punk, Aphex Twin, The Prodigy. The general consensus is that the kick drum is the strong point of this machine. It's just as massive as the one on the TR-909, but different. Heavier, perfect for industrial. It has been used by Chris Carter, Alessandro Cortini of Nine Inch Nails, Charlie Clouser, and also Sasha of KMFDM. In an interview with Drum Magazine, he said, "It's kind of a half clone of the TR-909, but it has these really nifty things. You can change the sounds in all steps of your patterns, tune your kick drum to play melodic sequences, or you can have filter sweeps on the hi-hats. You can also spot the Xbase 09 on Frontline Assembly's Reese Fulber Instagram page. This thing is basically the TR-909 of industrial music." This is how it sounds like. Introduced in '81, the Roland TR-606 was originally marketed alongside the TB-303 as a practice tool for guitarists, basically a drum machine for when jamming with a full band wasn't possible. The 606 wasn't a hit at first, and by '84, production had already stopped. Despite that early flop, the 606 went on to become a staple in electronic music. The 606 fits surprisingly well in pretty much any electronic music genre. Now the TR-606 right now is a very well-known drum machine, but when most people think of industrial music, it's probably not the first one that comes to mind. Unlike the big hard-hitting drums of the R8 or the R-70, the 606 has thinner drums, more analog-like sounding hits, but when you run those drums into distortion, they just work, especially for industrial music. Artists like Nine Inch Nails, Download, and Skinny Puppy have all made use of the 606. Here's some songs featuring the 606. In fact, Roland even points out on their own website that Trent Reznor used the TR-606 on one of Nine Inch Nails' most iconic song, if not the most iconic, Closer. Closer by Nine Inch Nails is built around a densely layered groove featuring the TR-606. The edgy track achieved great chart success for the band. Skinny Puppy's Kevin Key also used the 606. In this live photo of 1988, you can spot the 606 sitting on top of the upper keyboard on the right-hand side of the stage setup. Let's hear how it sounds. You got a favorite drum machine I missed? Drop it in the comments. If you're a music producer, make sure to check out my sample packs. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay industrial. Ciao.